are back here at Custom Audio Video with one of our friends, Kathryn. Good to see you. Coastal with Kathryn. So Coastal with Kathryn, tell us a little bit about that.
Well, it's a show that we started a couple years ago. It's aired on WHHI, and we have a YouTube channel with it as well. But we've been exploring all the wonderful things to do in the Lowcountry, up from Charleston down to Savannah. But we also include a splash of fashion because of my fashion image styling
We'll talk about
career.
that for a second.
Yes, my background. So I do fashion and I am actually in television. Those are I'm very fortunate. Two things I love to do, I get to do. But in the Splash of Fashion episode, we brought together some of the latest spring-summer collections from the Lowcountry retailers. So I went to Bluffton, and we have a bunch of retailers, boutiques, and so I thought we would sort of highlight a couple of the outfits that people are always saying, there's nowhere to shop on the island, and we are here to say, oh yes, there is.
And dressing people for this low country weather we have is a little different, and the styling is a little different if you come from other areas.
Yes.
Erin, you're right on, and that's what people come find me because, you know, I'm just coming from the Northeast or from Ohio or someplace, and I've had this career, and I really want to dress how to be here casually. I call it casual chic.
And that's what you're going to do today. You're going to show us a couple of ways to wear the same outfit.
Yes, exactly.
So talk to us a little bit about now.
Well, the dress I'm wearing, no.
Which we both want.
We
Yeah.
both
And you
want
have
it.
it in
We're
red.
obsessed. I'm obsessed with this little ruffle collar.
Isn't it very sweet? So, as a stylist, I like to make sure I put clothes on that fit my figure, and I
Right.
like this one has a little bit of an A-line. And what's really interesting about the collar, it has a wire in it, so you have a lot of flexibility. So I'm going to do two outfits. I'm doing something a little bit more casual, where I have a simple gold drop, and I put on sandals, right? Just a simple look. Neutral, and my hair is down.
So where would you wear this?
Oh, well, if it's a casual wedding, I would, and then when I change over and come back, I think we can wear it to a gala, which I'm going to wear to a gala. I have a gala to go at the end of the month, so that was my intentions. And you can, even just wear it to the office if you're in that world, if you like dressing up that day, because it really can go up and down as what you feel like.
I love it for a
And
wedding.
you know what?
I do
here's
too.
here's a style
Beach
tip.
wedding?
If you love a dress so much, I actually got it in red.
That's what I love. It's so funny because we were talking with some of our other guests. We're all in dresses. I think they're easy to wear.
They're
and they're
comfortable,
flattering.
too.
They're comfortable. There's one zip. And here we go. And this is what I talked
Oh,
about.
it's a
the
zip
collar.
up.
It's a zip up.
Who knew?
Well, you have to
Exactly.
sneak the pockets because
Oh,
I
yes.
can't do anything without a pocket
Yes.
anymore.
And here's even nicer.
you have a pocket?
It's
I don't
it's a
have a
zipper
pocket.
pocket too. So
Nice.
that you could put your lipstick, your cell phone, and anything
I
else
love
that you
that.
need. So
Well, we're going to wave a magic wand. Through the magic of a camera lens, we have gone from casual to gorgeous and elegant. Talk to us about what you're wearing and how you're wearing it. Now it's the same dress.
it's the same dress that I had earlier. So what we did, we changed the earrings. Well, number one, hair up. I'm a big fan of having your hair up for an elegant event. And with the collar, because I had it down lower with my hair long, it made
Yes.
sense. But when your hair is shorter, I recommend that when you bring a collar up, it frames your face. So that's just a style tip. And then also with the earrings, I
Kind of
put
draws attention to the earrings, I think.
yes, your eyes, your smile, everything just sort of frames it out that way.
I
And then I
recall-
added a little. Sorry, go ahead.
I was just going to say, talk to me about accessorizing because that has a lot of style. That dress has style. This is more t-shirt dress.
Right.
So how do you accessorize with a dress that has a lot of couture style?
From my perspective, less is better.
Okay, I agree.
I like, it's a chic dress. It's very simple, as everybody can see. But what I wanted to do is add a little for black sparkle for the gala. So we put a little sparkle around her ears. I would put, something with a bracelet here. I would not do a necklace because that adds just too much.
Especially with
And
that
the collar is the star
right,
here,
listen to us.
right?
The
We're
color-
such fashionistas.
You are.
We know what we like.
we like, and this is a color that resonates with my personal canvas. Everybody has their own colors, 10 to 12 best colors. After that, not so much, and that's probably the colors you're not wearing in your wardrobe. And then what we finish it off with, we have my Cinderella shoes.
Which go wonderfully with those
So this is a
earrings.
very simple outfit that we saw 2 seconds ago. Is a casual, we can go to an easy garden wedding, or if you have to go to the clubhouse for dinner, or somebody's
Business
having a
lunch.
business lunch, however. And as I said, I liked it so much that I also have it in red.
That's
Amazing.
fabulous.
So I'm good for the season.
I like what you're saying about hair too, how hair can make a real difference whether it's up or down according to
Oh
the
sure,
outfit.
look, if I just take it down.
And
it
it's just
changed the
super
whole look.
easy.
I do not recommend using this at a black tie, by the way. This is just a simple prop. But,
It's not
you know,
blingy enough.
but as you can see, it just changed the whole look. And this is when you have all this going on with your hair,
Yeah.
it gets very chunky. So then you want to bring it down.
Well, what if we don't have the gala to go to, but we just want a spring punch of color?
Well,
or
guess what? We can't
splash?
even answer that.
We can't?
We have to wait till you come back to answer all these good questions.
All right, I will be back. We'll have more questions, won't we?
We
We will.
appreciate
And style
it.
tips.
There you go. Stay with us. We'll be right back here on Carolina Women.